Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add tags to your post on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a post on Instagram. I'm going to click on this plus button and choose post. And for example, I'm going to upload this photo to my Instagram. Okay, then we can click on next. And if you want to add tags to your post, you can click on this A icon and just type in the tags you want to add. For example, I'm just going to add forest like this. You can also change the font or the style. And I'm gonna go with this one guys, and we can click on done. Okay, now as you can see that the text has been added to my post, and then we can click on the next. And once you're ready to share this post to your Instagram, you just need to click on share. Alright guys, and that's how we can add text to our post on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.